channel. Well, right now we're actually headed to Connecticut, Fairfield, Connecticut, from Queens, New York, to look at a Nissan 240SX. Originally, a couple weeks ago, I think, or 3 weeks ago, I planned to actually get a 240 shell that's clean, and then get an SR20 or 1J or a big turbo engine and swap in it, clean rust-free shell. But what I found today was a S14 240SX with already SR20 swapped in it. So it runs and drives. It has a big turbo in it. It's an eBay turbo, but it's priced very well. So we're headed to actually take a look at it and probably get the car. So that's the car. It's cleaner than I thought originally. The interior is also fairly clean. It's just missing a lot of parts. There's I guess the fender is dented, and the seller has a front and a new rear bumper that he's gonna throw in with the sale, and a spare SR20. This is the trunk. Okay. This car has a tune, but I guess it needs like a dyno tune to run better. Alright, so this 240SX is coming with a spare SR20 blacktop motor that is also, I think the owner said that it's running, and they did like a compression test on it. It's coming with a newer GD30 turbo, an eBay turbo actually. The owner installed a new ACT clutch, a short shifter, 300ZX Z32 MAFs, custom downpipe, air intake, Mishimoto radiator, external wastegate, 550cc injectors, some Chinese wheels, I think 19-inch Miami wheels, that's what it's called. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this car and swap the wheels out with my 300ZX wheels, because they have almost brand new tires. So yeah, that's what it is. And the guy was asking $3,000, and I actually agreed to giving him $3,000. So next Friday we're going to pick up the car, and it's coming with the front and rear bumper. I already sourced the left fender for the dented one, so we're going to get the car, get it cleaned up, and take it from there. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.